because I, being a member of Indian media, has also been thinking about, now that we have a little time to go back, look back, and think what has happened during the time. It happened so quickly, Smitakshi, that we had to really, we had not much time. And I tell you, having come from an organization called The Wire, we had a double whammy. I'll tell you where the double whammy happened. And so when you talk about the international media and Indian media, I would still make a difference between categorize between between the Indian electronic media and the other media, say digital media, print media, the entire, I should use this Hindi word being in Delhi, the Nautanki, entire Nautanki happened in the Indian television. The fake industry, the line between the fake industry, the fake news industry, the factory, I should say, the line blurred between that industry and the television media at the time. But print, digital, in Indian media were actually trying to do work. Sachin will get into the international space, I would not, but I still say that my senior at my office, journalist Karan Thapar, was every day bringing in the international voices also to our Indian viewership, to see what is actually happening, because we wanted to give the 360-degree view. So that's why we got people even from Pakistan. The former NSA of Pakistan was trying to control the narrative. We were not allowing that to happen, because that's the time, that's the beauty and the strength of the Indian media that we have to show. When you try to control the narrative worldwide, we have to come in between. And that space was given away by the electronic media at that time, because electronic media is a very powerful media. At that time, you should be, because people watch them. If you can control them at that time, if you can tell them that this is the lie you are telling to the international community, we would have been able to control it. But instead, what happened? Wire was shut for about 12 hours. And why was it done? Because we reported what a CNN already reported. We curated that report. And because of that report, we were shut for about 12 hours. And we wanted to go to the court, but they thankfully lifted the thing, saying that, that story, if we can discuss later, and which we agreed to, because nobody wants to go against a government which is fighting a rogue state. So, so you have to work with certain responsibility, and we did that. Okay, so Smitakshi, is very important. That's why to differentiate between Indian media at different categories. But having said that, look what is happening in Nepal today. Okay, the Indian media is getting very terrible treatment, all thanks to to this television media. And but there are a lot of reporters who are there from print, digital. You don't see those videos. They are not being attacked. You are getting, moment they see the mic, they are coming and attacking. That means the kind of the reputation that has gone down of Indian media is only solely because of that. So it's a thing we all, as members of media, as members of public, need to think about what has gone wrong there. Yeah, thank you.